Hello everyone, I'm Emrata. Today in this video I want to show you how you can buy a Mexc token, Mexc exchange official token. Now this is our website exchangereferralcodes.com. If we don't have Mexc account, you should click here. We clicked. On this page, this is your referral code for commission, kickback or discount. If you want, you should use this. If you want, you can click this button. We clicked. On this page, fill your form. This code must be here and click sign up. Now, after you must complete your KYC. And after click buy crypto and deposit money to Mexc Global. And after now, how we can buy Mexc token, Mexc token. Click trade and click spot. On spot trade page, this is spot trade page, click search token and write MX and MX USDT. This is MX token page. This is for buy, this is for sell. It's so easy. When you deposit money, you can start trade here. If you need more information, you should visit our website. Wish you a good day.